Alright YouTube, welcome back to another episode. As you can see, we got the hoist semi-fixed, I think. The real test is when we lift this engine. Today we are going to be separating the transmission from the engine, getting it all ready for the manual swap. In previous episodes, you saw that we did the pedals, the interiors, the shifter, the cables, the master cylinder, all that. We do have to make one little bracket slash firewall stiffener plate. We did not measure properly, but we made it work. So anyways guys, today we'll be taking the automatic transmission off and throwing on the manual trans, or at least getting the clutch and the flywheel and everything on and going from there. So nothing left to it but to do it. Let's get to it. Alright, we got the automatic trans and the 1.5 liter separated. But like I said, while taking this all apart, I found that the catalytic converter on this thing is all wrecked. And that's kind of going to put a hiccup in our plans if we have to find a catalytic converter. And at that point, I don't know if it's worth saving this engine, but there she is, she's out. Kind of derailed because it's like, do I need a catalytic converter now? Or how are we going to smog this thing? Or should we just put a 4G63 in there? I don't know. So I figured I'd come and call the expert and see what they think and try to make a decision after that. So fingers crossed. Here comes the expert. Och, what do you think, Och? Hello, boss lady.
Hi.
So I got all this torn apart, and the catalytic converter is on the bottom. And as I was tearing it apart, I found that the catalytic converter is no good. It's no good. And there's no replacement.
And there's no...
Mitsubishi doesn't make catalytic converters for these old cars anymore.
So what does that mean?
That's why I called you out. What does that mean? What do we do? The whole point of doing this was that I could drive it and pass smog.
I literally don't know. That's not good. So that's why it's not working.
That's why it can't pass smog, because the catalytic converter is junk.
Wowzers.
So now we're screwed. It's over, chat.
No.
Och, what do you think?
Don't put that into the universe.
You think we should buy an Evo, Och? Yeah? We buy Evo? Or you like our Evo? Yeah? I don't know, bub.
It's cold out here.
Who's this? Mitter? Mitt.
Don't step in the gunk, Mitt.
No. Here is the catalytic converter. It's all freaking burnt inside, dude. What a joke. Alright, we've got the 1.5 flywheel, 1.5 clutch. It all fits now. Find some bolts, throw this thing on, and hopefully get this back in the car. Okay, we're back with the Mirage project, and you can see the engine is in there. We got it all wired up for the most part, but I don't know if you could tell on video, but it does not sit level in the car. And it turns out the automatic trans mount that mounts on the frame right here, let's see if we can get it. So the mount that mounts to the frame for the auto sticks too high up. No problem, I had guessed that. So I bought a mount for a manual, but when I unboxed it, it was the exact same mount as that one. Spent weeks researching it, and it turns out, yeah, there is a difference between the auto and manual transmission mount. So wherever I got that from must have had it mixed up. So I've got another mount on the way, and hopefully we can get that swapped in and see if this thing will run. Hopefully the transmission's still good, but yeah, here we are. Pretty much ready to go.